Our 9 brands are
$1,000.
respect. Congratulations, the respect.
Interior design firm is Supreme Houzz.
Yeah.
So 恭喜 Supreme Houzz.
My name is Doris. I'm a 9th winner of this Renopedia Lucky Draw and a proud owner of this house. My ID is Jeremy from Supreme Houzz, got it through Renopedia. The idea mostly is from my husband, and he told the ID what he wants, and 3 IDs came back to us with some drafts, and we landed with Jeremy from Supreme Houzz. I think with the dining area, because it's very cozy, it's like we have our dinner over there. Jeremy is very patient, so whenever we got some ideas or what we want to change, he actually accommodates us. Actually, it's very hassle-free, so it's like you just fill out your budget and the theme that you want, then they will actually come back with you through IDs calling you, and you just pick from there. Definitely, I would recommend my colleagues or friends to try out Renopedia. Thank you, Renopedia. Take care of renovating. Check out Renopedia. And maybe you'll be the next big winner. Remember to check out their social medias for more home renovations and inspirations. Yay!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.